Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, update iOS, and sign into YouTube. Once done, open Settings, then Screen Time. This blocks the Shorts feed indirectly. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and enable the toggle. Make sure you choose Allowed Apps or Content Restrictions next. This is where you limit the YouTube experience. You're not deleting the app, you're constraining features. This initial setup prepares the device, so the following steps actually hide the Shorts experience from Quick View. Now configure the specific restrictions that remove Shorts. In Content Restrictions, select Web Content and use Limit Adult Websites, then add YouTube.com/shorts and www.youtube.com/shorts to never allow. Once added, open Allowed Apps and confirm Safari or browser access is controlled so Shorts links can't reopen. Make sure you also set app limits for YouTube to force the app into downtime when you don't want quick browse content. These steps finish by restarting your iPhone and launching YouTube to verify Shorts are blocked. You should no longer see the Shorts shelf or open/Shorts links. If Shorts still appear, clear the YouTube app cache by offloading or reinstalling the app and recheck restrictions. Make sure you set a screen time passcode so changes can't be undone. One troubleshooting tip: if links bypass restrictions, add the full Shorts URLs to blocked websites again and test in both the app and Safari to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.